How are you? I will be your tutor, Mr. Nixon. Today I'm going to take you through quadratic expressions and quadratic expressions and equations. So first, we will look at quadratic expressions. Generally, quadratic expressions take the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Before we look at how to create quadratic expressions, it's important to note that earlier on you had been taught about linear expressions, and you were told that linear expressions take the form x plus 2, it can take the form y plus 3, it can take the form z minus 5. So this is referred to as linear expressions. What about the quadratic expressions? When you are given any of these two linear expressions here, for example, you can be given x plus 2 and y plus 3. In this case, it means that if you multiply these two, then you will come up with a quadratic expression. Let us look at a few examples of how to carry out expansion when we are creating quadratic expressions. Our example one, suppose we are required to expand x plus 1 times x plus 2. In this case, what is in the first bracket must multiply what is in the second bracket. So here we will have x times x plus 2 plus 1 times x plus 2. You realize that this x has multiplied the second bracket. 1 has also multiplied the second bracket. And in this case, we get x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 2 is 2. In this case, we now at this stage have to combine. We have to combine the like terms. The like terms are found here in the middle. So 2x plus x gives us 3x. This therefore will give us our expression as x squared plus 3x plus 2. Let us look at the second example. You can also be given x plus 5 times x minus 3. Just like we've done in the previous example, x multiplies x minus 3, and 5 also multiplies x minus 3. X by x gives us x squared. X by negative 3 gives us negative 3x. 5 by x gives us 5x. And 5 by negative 3 gives us 15. So we will also combine the like terms in the middle there. This gives us x squared plus 2x minus 15. We go to our last example. That is x plus 4 times x minus 4. x will multiply the second bracket, x minus 4, and 4 will also multiply the second bracket, x minus 4. X by x gives us x squared. X by negative 4 gives us negative 4x. 4 by x gives us positive 4x, and 4 by negative 4 gives us negative 16. We combine these two. Because one is negative and the other one is positive, that will give us 0. Therefore, we shall have x squared plus 0 minus 16, which finally becomes x squared minus 16. At this point, I would like to refer you to these questions. Attempt the questions, and as you can see, below the questions are the answers. Attempt the questions and try to mark for yourself to find out whether you have it right or not. In the event that you have a problem or a question, you are free to comment at the bottom of this the bottom of this video, and I will promptly respond to your questions. Thank you for today. I look forward to taking you through the next part of this topic, which is quadratic identities. Thank you.